Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Candy and I usually do makeup videos and stuff like that, but today's video is a little bit different. Please make sure that you do subscribe for some awesome content and hit that bell's notification so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. I'm so sorry if you hear noises. Ivan, my dog, is actually here and the washing machine is running. It's one of those days. Hey, ooh, massage, ooh, massage, awesome stink, ooh, massage, he loves this, ooh, yummy, yummy. So, today is a different video because, okay, so I've been thinking about how to intro this video for such a long time and just talk about this because it is a very difficult subject, and with everything going on with regards to the Australian fires, my heart literally breaks for the animals, and it's been really hard dealing with the graphic content people have been uploading and stuff like that. Okay, let me just say what I want to say, because I don't think there's any easy way to do this. I'm trying not to cry, that's why I'm stalling. Apart from animals really needing our help in every single way, there's also a lot of humans out there that are really struggling, and people are living in poverty, and there's children without homes, and it's just so difficult. I'm also on my period, so I think that is also why I'm so emotional. It's hard for me it's hard for me to talk about these things because I get so caught up in the emotions of everything, and my heart really goes out to people and animals so much, and I wish I could help every single person. But what I've also realized is that one person cannot reach everyone. I receive countless of DMs on a daily of people with cancer, people who has an operation to undergo, a child that has to have an operation, an animal that needs help, and people are asking me to share this constantly on my platform, which is obviously not possible to do because if I had to share everything, my page will not be focused on beauty and makeup and stuff like that. But I do still think that if every single person in the world reaches out to an organization or person or anything like that to try and help from their side, even if it's just a 20 rand you give, I feel if everyone does something, we will be able to help every single person and every single organization out there. People are really suffering. There's so many people out there who have nothing, and sometimes we sit and we complain about the stuff we don't have while we kind of miss the things we should be so grateful for. So getting back to the video of today, animals has always been like a very important part of my life because they give so much love regardless of how you treat them and regardless of what they have. They just have so much love to give. And when I did the raising of funds on Yaga, where I sold my secondhand makeup, you guys really jumped in and everyone helped to like really raise these funds, and I decided to gift it to Kitty and Puppy Haven because they also no-kill organization. They, in June last year, I think one of their buildings burnt down. I believe they rebuilt it, and I know they really look after the animals and people can foster the animals, but today we're actually visiting them, and I'm so excited just to see how they operate and what they do and how you guys can help. So I decided to make a video doing this, and then I'm gonna EFT the money for them while I'm there. But the reason for this video is not for views or money or fame or anything like that. It's really just to create awareness, and maybe if it sparks a need inside of you that says, how can I help in a way, you know that this is a message that I wanted to bring across. I just want to spark that need in people's hearts to want to give, to open up, to give their time or give their money or give actual things. So that's really the purpose of this video, but I hope you enjoy it. I'm extremely excited about this, and yeah, let's do this.
Ons die hondjies en katjies kyk.
So I actually just quickly stopped by Checkers and I bought some Pinos and nibbles for the cats, just because shame, I think they can also do with some treats. I don't know, I don't want to buy food because I'm thinking we're already giving them money, so I thought this would be nice just to kind of feed them and play with them a little bit. So I'm excited to meet all of the kitties and the puppies.
Perfect. We need to take from you. Thank you.
You like the director of the...
I started this. I own this sanctuary. I started this 20 years ago.
Wow, amazing. Okay. Hi guys. Hi guys, I'm here with Sam. She started Kitty and Puppy Haven. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you so much.
It's such an honor. No, gee whiz. So I'm gonna do the payment which you guys helped us raise. So the amount we're gonna be putting through today is 9,000 rand. I know. And say thank you
everybody. We really, you'll see when we go around.
I have goosebumps. It's like,
you know what? When everybody sees what we do here,
giving
they'll understand what I do. Remember, I'm one of the only rescue rehabilitation sanctuaries in South Africa that only does injured, abused, neglected. So you're gonna see a lot of animals that are in the most incredible condition. They didn't look like that when they came. Everything that's come here has literally come from there. And that's why our motto is, you know, we change their destiny. Because the minute they've arrived here, their life has changed. And we are no-kill sanctuary.
yeah, that's something I really love.
So the
about
only
you
time
guys.
I will put something down is if there's absolutely no quality of life. You know, they've got kidney failure, stuff like that. I mean, you just missed a guy, just brought in a puppy now. It's got full-blown parvo, which is cat flu. That's going to cost me 5,000 rand. No questions asked. I've taken the puppy in and we already starting treatment.
Wow.
So that's where all the money goes.
Yeah, that's what's important to me, is really showing love and not
Well,
just,
when you see the facilities, you know, talk is cheap, but I think, you know, I can talk for the rest of the day. But when you see the quality of life here and how our animals are kept, I think that's what brings it all home.
Okay. And how can someone get involved? What are the different ways that people can
There's
get
so
involved?
many different ways. You know, people can always volunteer. If they're over 18, if they're under, you know, they need to come with a parent. Debit orders, my school card, donations, jumble. So, you know, it all helps. If you don't want to do money, you can do it in kind of stuff. We've got wish lists of things that we need. You'll see when you're walking around where the money goes. Because the quality of life here is beyond incredible.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, let's do this.
Let's do this. Thank you. The honors.
There we go.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
No.
I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do, need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? I am out here alone, 'cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done, and the people I've hurt. Wanna take that part of me
That's how they were keeping
and leave it in the dirt.
I mean, look at that.
Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, 'cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong. Won't you say